gonna get loud. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. $6.50 order. 6 8 of them. Cosmos Audio. Sweet. It's gonna get loud.
Oh wow. Clean it up a little bit and then clear it. Oh shit. But we did that with brush strokes to make it have a wood grain feel. Yeah, it's creative, yeah. We do doors and all different printers. How much of a bill is this? That one?
What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the video so far of the walk around of the Cosmos Audio demo vehicle at the TDH show in 2021 of Virginia. So if you haven't already, give them a like. They did a really good job showcasing it at the show. Looking forward to showing you all how it sounds, as well as a quick little demo we'll show you. So comment, give them some positive feedbacks of what you like about this system, as well as Cosmos Audio. Did a really great job. So the bottom of this subwoofer box has two subs, the 12-inch mounted regular, so they aren't inverted, and then the inside subs are inverted, and you can see behind the subs there is the rear port, making this a 6.5th order with that front port and then the rear port for fine tuning. And having these subwoofers inverted gives a little bit better cooling maybe, and maybe a lower end response depending on how they design the box. I really like the style of it. Outside speakers also are playing. You're going to see how those sound. Did have some copyright issues playing this whenever I was recording it because they played a copyright song, so I had to add a little bit of overlay music, slowed it down a little bit. Sorry about that, but I hope you're enjoying it. Shout out to everybody watching my daily cardio videos. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for more to come every single day. Let's go ahead and get to some subflex action now. Pretty unique style box, a 6.5th order bandpass box, bass box enclosure. Enjoy. Cosmos Audio. Sweet. It's gonna get loud.
Crazy, shady, but to rock about baby. Just keep no more rejoice. Every time you hear my voice, just know that on your smile, and got it and feel it. So baby, don't feel pain, just smile back. Just keep no more rejoice. Every time you hear my voice, just know that looking down on your smile. So baby, don't feel no pain, just smile back. In this dream, I'm pushing on the swing. She keeps screaming, she don't want me to sing. You're making mommy cry. Why crying? Baby daddy ain't leaving no more. Daddy, you're lying. You always say this is the last time, but you ain't leaving no more. Daddy, you're mine. She's piling in front of the door, trying to block it. Daddy, please, daddy, don't leave. Daddy, don't stop it. Goes in the pulls out of time. Block it. It's gotta be. This'll keep you safe. Take it with you. It's just me. It's the mirror. This thinking. They're saying you got one more chance to do right, and it's too late. Now go out there and show them that you love them, for it's too late. And just as I go to walk out of my bedroom door, it turns to a stage that's cold, and the spotlight is on, and I'm singing. When I'm gone, just keep time you hear my voice, just know that looking down on your smile, and got it and feel it. So baby, don't feel the pain, just smile back. When I'm gone, just keep no more rejoice. Every time you jump, see the curtain, they're throwing roses at my feet. I take a and take you off. Now they're screaming. I take one last the crowd. I glance. I don't believe seeing daddy is that slim shit. Yeah, be slim shady, crazy, shady. Put some shit, rock about baby. On this kid, don't rejoice. Every time you hear the sound of my voice, just know that now you smile, and now that you feel it. So baby, don't feel the pain, just smile back. Just keep rejoice. Every time you hear the sound of my voice, just know that looking down, you smile. So baby, don't feel the pain, just smile. I keep having this dream, I'm pushing on the screen. She keeps fucking and she don't want me to sing. You making mommy cry. Why is mommy crying? Baby daddy, leaving no more. Candy, you're lying. You always say this is the last time, but you ain't leaving no more. Daddy, you're mine. She's piling blocks in front of the door. Block it. Daddy, please. Daddy, don't leave. Daddy, don't stop it. Goes in the pulls out of time. Lock it. It's gotta be. This'll keep you safe. Take it with you. It's just me. It's the era. These thinking. They're saying you got one more chance to do right, and it's tonight. Now go out there and show them that you love them, for it's too late. And just as I go to walk out of my bedroom door, returns to a stage they're gone, and the spotlight is on, and I'm singing. When I'm gone, just keep time you hear the sound of my voice, just know that looking down, you smile, and now that you feel it. So baby, don't feel the pain, just smile back. Just keep rejoice. Every time you hear the sound of my voice, just know that looking down, you smile, and now that you feel it. So baby, don't feel the pain, just smile. 60 people all jumping, see the curtain, they're throwing roses at my feet. I take a and take you off. They're screaming. I take rejoice. Every time you hear the sound of my voice, just know that looking down, you smile. And now that you feel it, so baby, don't feel the pain, just smile back. Just keep rejoice. Every time you hear the sound of my voice, just know that looking down, you smile. And now that you feel it, so baby, don't feel the pain, just smile.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.